Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at the pound Aussie. Right, so the pound Aussie, what I have here is the daily. Okay, I just want to look at the market structure, and we see that price has been making higher highs and higher lows. So of course we can expect price to make a higher high, right? And with that, on the daily we can also connect the lows, okay, with a trend line, and we see that price is holding the trend line very nicely. So we can use a retracement from the last movement, low to high, open off Fibonacci ratios. So we actually do have a negative 27 target over here. Okay, so this is really a swing target, right, at this level over here. So long-term take profit picture, right? Let's quickly go down to the H4 and tidy this up. Okay, we can ignore this trend line. We can also adjust this accordingly, right? Give me a moment. Okay, on the H4, right, we just want to zoom in onto this area here. And we see also, we can confirm that there's a breakout, right? Price has broken above this descending trendline resistance then support. Okay, there is a breakout and a retest here, and then a takeoff. Right, so we can keep this trend line. We can use a Fibonacci retracement of the last movement from the low to high, okay, and open all Fibonacci ratios, and we see the negative 61 is in line with our daily target, okay, and we also have another intraday target at the negative 2720, right, with the 50% here close to the graphical overlap support, okay, and also the descending trend line support. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the negative 61, negative 27, and the 50%. Okay, so the 50% can, we just highlight the 50% first as a sort of a support level. Alright, and let's quickly go down to the 1 hour. So let's ignore this descending trend line. On the 1 hour, we see price making this sort of zigzag pattern upwards. Okay, if we were to connect the lows with a trend line, show us some support, okay, this is what we see. So what we can expect price to do is price can actually pull back to this graphical overlap resistance turn support and then take off from here, right? So that's what we want to wait for, because right now there's no good risk reward ratio, okay, and this 50% will be our stop loss. So let's use a retracement of the last movement, which is not completed yet, okay, and we see once again the 50% works very nicely. Okay, so we have the 50% over here, alright, and that will be our entry. Okay, so we can have an entry, right? We wait for price to pull back, and we actually have two targets. This works out to give us very nice risk reward ratio. Last but not least, we can also put in indicators as sort of confirmation. We see price holding above the moving average, and MACD is way above zero, showing room for further bullish upside as well. So that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day. Pound Aussie. Wish you guys all the best. Take care, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.